welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a bit of a different video today. I've been asked, Wolf, how do you get your wallpaper, because I can kinda key Tokyo Ghoul moving wallpaper because I absolutely just love Tokyo Ghoul. But what you're going to end up doing is you're going to come over here to Steam, come to store, and you're going to want to, what you're going to do is you're going to look up search wallpaper engine. It is $4. Get that, you can download it. And you come on, it should show up. It'll look like this. Now also, it'll also come down here to the little toolbar, be right here. And this is just so you can mute, unmute, pause, because some of them come with music. I don't know if you're able to hear one or not, but as you can see, I got piles of them. As you can hear, it's got music. You got all different kinds. Personally, though, I like that. You got your Steam Workshop. You got your this Steam engine has its own discovery page from other people that have uploaded it as well. But yeah, that's pretty much all you gotta do. So all you really have to do is come down to one, select it. You can change its scheme color, which is what the bar and the bomb and stuff look like. Here, I'll change one where you can see. Hit OK. It'll close that out. And as you can see down here, my bottom bar is now brown. Everything. But yeah, guys, that's all you have to do. Get back my wallpaper real quick. But yeah, guys, that's all you have to do in order to get a live moving wallpaper. If you got $4, it's pretty easy. There's literally over thousands of pages on Steam. But I hope this helps you guys. And see you guys. Echoes in the old walls, distant are the chords on the winter's wind when the wolves cry out.